There is strength in unity. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of 5 friends, a deer, a rabbit, a squirrel, a fox, and a bird. They all had different talents and skills, but they shared a strong bond of friendship. One day, a group of hunters entered the forest with their guns and traps, ready to catch some animals. The animals in the forest were scared and didn't know what to do. The deer suggested that they should all unite and fight against the hunters, but the others were hesitant. The rabbit thought that running away was the best option, while the squirrel suggested that they should hide in their burrows. The fox thought that attacking the hunters one by one was the way to go, but the bird suggested that they should fly away. However, the deer explained that their strengths were not enough to face the hunters. They needed to work together and use their different talents to overcome the threat. Eventually, the animals understood the importance of unity and agreed to join forces. The deer led the group with its speed and agility, the rabbit used its small size and quickness to distract the hunters, the squirrel used its knowledge of the forest to confuse the hunters, the fox used its cunningness to distract the hunters, and the bird flew high above to keep an eye on the hunters' movements. With their combined efforts, they were able to outsmart the hunters and drive them away from the forest. The animals realized that there is indeed strength in unity and that they could overcome any challenge by working together. From that day on, the animals in the forest became even closer, and they knew that they could count on each other in times of need. They also realized that they could achieve great things by putting aside their differences and using their strengths in harmony. The moral of the story is that there is strength in unity. Working together as a team can help us overcome even the most significant challenges in life. When we unite and work towards a common goal, we can achieve more than we can individually. In Islam, unity is highly valued, and it is believed that it can bring blessings and success. The story of the animals in the forest teaches us an important Islamic moral, which is that the unity of the community is crucial in overcoming challenges and difficulties. In the Quran, Allah says, "And hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided." 3-103 /. This verse highlights the importance of unity among the believers and warns against division, which weakens the community. The animals in the forest faced a great threat, but they were able to overcome it by putting aside their differences and working together. This is a valuable lesson for Muslims, who should strive to work together towards the common goal of pleasing Allah and spreading goodness in the world. Islam also emphasizes the importance of diversity and the fact that different people have different strengths and skills. The animals in the forest had different talents and abilities, but they were able to use them effectively when they worked together. This teaches us that we should appreciate and respect the differences among us and use them to our advantage, rather than letting them divide us. In conclusion, the Islamic moral of this story is that unity and cooperation are key to success in all aspects of life. Muslims should strive to work together, appreciate diversity, and overcome any differences or challenges through unity and mutual support.